Myotonic discharges. These are delayed muscle relaxation after muscle contraction. These are delayed muscle contract relaxation after muscle contraction. Hallmark. These are waxing and waning type in both frequency and amplitude. Both waxing and waning type in both frequency and amplitude. Not affected by voluntary contraction. Not affected by voluntary contraction. Waxing and waning. The dive bomber. The dive bomber. Waxing and waning. Not affected by voluntary contraction. Persist after nerve block, neuromuscular block, frank denervation. Persist after nerve block, neuromuscular block, or frank denervation can occur with or without clinical myotonia. Dive bomber sound. Myotonic discharges. Dive bomber sound. Myotonic discharges. Myotonic discharges. Myopathies with clinical myotonia, myotonic dystrophies, myotonic congenita, paramyotonia congenita without clinical myotonia, hypokalemic periodic paralysis, poliomyelitis, acid maltase deficiency, occasional toxic myopathies, Resiculation potential. These are electrically submitted voltage of depolarizing muscle fiber belonging to all or part of one motor unit. Motor neuron disorder, radiculopathy, entrapment neuropathy, cervical spondylotic neuromyelopathy, metabolic disturbances including tetany, thyrotoxicosis, and anticholinergic overdoses. Fasciculation potential. These are single motor unit, rhythm irregular and random, frequency variable, absent 1 to 2 Hz. Fasciculation variable amplitude similar to motor unit, 20 microvolt to 20 millivolt depending on needle location and motor unit characteristics. Each fasciculation is in individual motor unit and looks different. If the same motor unit is fasciculating frequently, it usually stable unless the motor unit happens to be unstable and likely to be pathologic. Observed in all normal people, more frequent in early any lower motor neuron disorder. If accompanied by fibrillation, much more likely to be abnormal. Myochymic discharges. These are rhythmic, grouped, spontaneous, repetitive discharges of same motor unit. Regular, semi-rhythmic burst marching soldiers like myochymic. Regular, semi-rhythmic burst marching soldier. Interburst 1 to 5 Hz. Intraburst 5 to 60 Hz. Clinically rippling, undulating movement of the muscles, demyelinating motor axons spontaneously or through hepatic transmission. Sputtering sound, marching soldier. Burst of the machine gun. Burst of machine gun, marching soldier sound